The past is a place that only exists in our memory. Skydiving has been part of my life since my dad started in 1989. When I was 13, I did my first jump, and now I think of it as the moment of no return. My first free fall. Once I'm falling fast enough, the increasing air pressure turns falling into flying. Like other flying animals, I can control my balance and perfect my aerodynamic shape in order to get the best flying out of the body I have. My body becomes the wing I need for flying. Freediving shows me new ways of focusing my energy. It's a mental challenge, and it leads me to a better physical condition. The moment I reach neutral buoyancy is like entering zero gravity. And then the free fall can begin. Endless hours of practice taught me that everything is possible. My childhood dreams of becoming a skydiving world champion came true, so now I share that knowledge with my students who have their own dreams. Every moment of discovering a new feeling will stay as a memory.